Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Tuesday. And now I do see that SLP has been making some technical target has already been met, 396, and don't you see that? But the thing is that I noticed how you went to 396 and then you bounced off it, and now you can see that you lost the support of 396 and you went up, made a kiss of death, and there's a good chance that you can even start to roll over to the downside as well. So this might not be the end of it, and you might be looking for that technical target that I previously highlighted here to 231. Okay, you even could be looking to make a huge sweep to the downside. Now there could be a little bit of resistance up here, so I'm going to show you that resistance very quickly. Something like this is a playing out, to be honest with you, and we might not have the end of the dumps to the downside. Now if anyhow you cross this level, back test it, you might be looking for SLP to come back to 408, and that's where you're going to have one resistance, cross the 408, and you're looking for 452 right over here. Now it's all about breaking this 4-hour time frame resistance line right now. Otherwise, let me tell you one thing, you might still continue rolling down, because by the end of the day that's a resistance that you're really looking for, because one touch, second touch, third touch here, and then boom, still continues to go to the downside. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.